The Monkey is equipped with an engine designed to ride and have fun on, 124 cubic centimeters, SOHC with 50 mm bore, 63.1 mm stroke and compression ratio of 10.0 to 1. It produces peak power of 6.9 kilowatts at 6,750 rpm with peak torque of 10.7 Nm at 5,500 rpm. A correcting plate manages the path of fresh air drawn in and feeds an intake duct inlet and connecting tube designed to smooth airflow. The shape of the airbox also promotes smooth airflow, smooth torque output and flexible drivability. Euro 5 compliance has been applied via revised ECU settings, updated catalyzer, and additional O2 sensor. The 5-speed gearbox spreads its ratios apart for longer journey ease and provides a more relaxed cruising ability. Top speed is 91 km/h. Manual clutch operation imparts a full-sized motorcycle experience, while 12-inch wheels deliver agile around-town response. Naturally, the Monkey's small stature and assured low-speed balance allow it an easy passage through jam traffic. The Super Cub C125's time-tested, evocative styling, defined instantly by the leg guards and fully enclosed mechanical parts, is a design with one word in mind: universality. In other words, it must be easy for a wide range of people to use. A key part of this ethos is the laid-forward S-shaped silhouette, which runs from the step-through space to rear mudguard, making access on and off easy. The 2022 pillion seat and foot pegs are standard equipment. Also, instantly recognizable as Super Cub is the unit steering, which unifies the separate elements, forks, handlebars, and leg shields, into one cohesive whole. On the original machine, the handlebars, shaped to be like the wings of a bird, were a tactile and welcoming sales point, and the modern-day Super Cub C125 with its forged, tapered handlebar wrapped in curvaceous molded resin incorporating the switchgear and instruments, pays loyal homage to the original. The grips are placed in a natural, easy-to-hold position and complement the straight-backed riding position, which gives excellent all-round visibility. Aiding comfort, the seat uses thick, high-density urethane foam. It is also cut back on both sides up front, helping ground reach. All lighting is contemporary LED, while the instruments highlight the depth of the overall design with two lenses separated by dual chrome rings. The outer ring houses the sweep of the analog speedometer's needle plus warning lights. The inner and understated digital display, a modern finishing touch, is the Honda Smart Key, which also controls the immobilizer as an extra theft deterrent and is equipped with an answer back function whereby the indicators will blink at the push of a button to make finding the vehicle easy in busy parking areas. And, with a nod to its forebears, and underlining its place in Honda's history, a historical 3D classic wing logo crowns the Smart Key fob.